Hey guys, welcome to your shopping assistant channel. Today I made amazing selection of best kitchen gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Please make sure you're subscribed and don't forget about like. Let's get started.
We know a multi-cooker that'll help with the heavy lifting. In other words, you may often find yourself paying zero attention to any other pot or pan in the kitchen, since you have a Kasori multi-cooker on your counter. And it is seriously multi-cooking. Fry your chicken, bake your chicken, blacken your chicken, slow cook your chicken, or make some yogurt. You know, for the chicken you just seared. And yes, it makes rice. And hey, you can bake a cake too, for dessert, if you want. It's all possible with 12 programs in one elegant machine. It's super safe to use. There's a removable rubber gasket that helps maintain cooking temperatures, and it keeps the lid in place. The design of it also prevents water accumulation. Simply remove it when you clean up. Also small but important, heat-friendly handles. And after all the chicken's gone, place the glass lid and inner pot in the washer, and you're all done. Beautiful. Get it all done with the Kasori multi-cooker.
The Presto Nomad Traveling Slow Cooker for the family on the go. The locking lid seals tight for spill-proof travel, and it's easy to carry. A removable holder with silicone cord secures a utensil in transit and doubles as a spoon rest. The generous 6-quart size is enough to feed a crowd. Perfect for buffet-style foods anywhere. Set it to slow cook at high, low, or to keep warm. A marker and built-in dry erase board are included. The large see-through glass window is ideal for buffets, and the rugged, wide-profile design helps prevent tip-overs while traveling. It's easy to clean, too. The hinged cover and nonstick pot are removable, and the pot is fully immersible. The cord tucks neatly away for storage or travel. Cook and go with the
everything you need to store several meals at once. Each container has 3 compartments each, holding up to 32 ounces. First, you create and prep the perfect meal, then simply load up each compartment with your delicious, healthy foods. And see, isn't this a great way to keep your portion sizes under control? It keeps you from overeating. Then just stack them up and store them in the fridge or the freezer. You can safely heat them up in the microwave. They're built to withstand several washings in the dishwasher. And check out this durability. They're designed to hold up to multiple uses. You'll be happy to know Easy Preppa food containers are safe to use, made with the highest quality, eco-friendly, BPA-free plastic material. Enjoy the safe, tough, reusable portion-controlled, on-the-go meal prep storage solution from Easy Prep bento boxes today.
Remember these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Place your food in the 3 separate trays like so. Step 2. Press the Weigh Food button at the center of your device and the SmartPlate icon at the bottom center of your app until the silhouette appears. When the silhouette appears, then place the food onto the base until it locks in perfectly. Align the silhouette to the edges of the plate, and within just a few seconds, SmartPlate will automatically tell you all the nutrition information. Here we have kiwi, breaded chicken cutlets, and avocado. If it's correct, add to journal, and SmartPlate may give you a warning depending on what your goals are. In this case, I have to change my servings to adjust my carbohydrates. So I need to remove some carbs from any section that I like. So I'm going to remove some kiwi, I'm going to remove some cutlets until I hit my goal, and when I see the green light, there you go. My goals have been met, and I can add to journal. Easy, fast,